Okay, so I found out there's a difference between first print and reprints for these trading card tins. And I'm reading online that you can find out if you have a first print if you have this sticker on top. Some people have also said, just based on the barcode on the back, and ignore the faded coloring on this side. The reason it's faded is because I had it facing the window with direct sunlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open this, and we're gonna find out if this sticker determines whether it is a first print or a reprint. And notice the barcode on this ends in 80530 or 805301. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. Okay, I haven't opened one of these in a long time, but I just really want to know. And we got Team Up, Forbidden Light, and Evolutions.